Energy isn't something you find, it's something you create. 8 affirmations to activate your drive. Let's go. I am energized. I am energized. I can stay active. I can stay active. People notice my energy. People notice my energy. Every day I move more. Every day I move more. Today I feel electric. Today I feel electric. I am dynamic. I am dynamic. I get things done. I get things done. I take action immediately. I take action immediately. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please comment below and we may feature it in an upcoming episode. Feel free to watch this again and come back tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.